Okay, what you guys are going to want to do is remove the screws and pull this guy out. This is the housing for the speaker to drop in. Just want to take those wires out. I'm actually going to switch them, put some fresh ends on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you guys. That tight. A piece of shit speaker. What you want to do is take off these screws right here, and the speaker's going to come out of the housing. We're not putting the grills on because they'll get in the way of the Honda grills. There's no point of having the grills on there. There's just no point in having two grills, and there's also no point in having a fancy grill when you can't even see it and it's behind another grill. So, and this will just drop out like that. Again, Honda 50 watt speakers, factory. We're going to take the new speaker and match up the holes. Also, I'm making sure that the terminals are going to be hanging out the back end, so you could, after we put the fresh ends on there, we can still get to the terminals. Take your screws and put them in the same holes. This is kind of common sense. By the way, guys, I don't do this stuff often, but it's speakers, it's common sense to me. Just throw it together. Anything electronic, electrical, take one look at it, it's just common sense. This is the most basic shit. Just want to be careful when you're doing this not to slip and fucking poke a hole in your speaker. That's all you need. Get these brand new speakers and you fuck them up. So anyway, what we're going to do is take these fresh ends, cut the old ones off, put the new ones on. Small ones are black. You guys want to also keep an eye on the stripe on the wire and see where it ends up on the other side. Make sure you're connecting the minus to minus and the positive to the positive. Take your wire crimps. That's what I'm using. You could use twist wire nuts, whatever. You could solder it. Use shrink tube. whatever you have, I guess. I think this is the professional way. And not that this is needed, but I did it on the other one. Just take some electrical tape. Put some tape on there. Again, this is not necessary. I'm just doing it because I feel like it, I guess. I don't know. Tape them together so they're not banging around or vibrating in there. Tuck that in the door like that. And take your speaker carefully. Making sure you can't put this on wrong. Well, I shouldn't say that. If you wire it wrong, you can put it on wrong, but plugging these connectors in is you can't get it wrong because they're sized. Again, you want to make sure you saved all your screws. Again, guys, make sure when you're putting this in, you may even want to get someone to help you hold it while you screw it in so you don't fucking poke a hole in your speakers. Do it myself. Also, make sure you have a nice magnetic screwdriver so you don't drop the fucking screws in the door. Because that's a nightmare getting them out. I have to go through that. Make sure it's securely in there. This guy. Take that. Shoot the ends in right. Snap it in. Take your other two screws, put them in a hole. This car needs a cleaning. It's fucking filthy. Okay guys, let me clean up and I'll let you hear how it sounds.